How to remove double chin in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit the double chin in your photo. First of all, open Picsart application. Now here in the middle, tap on this plus icon to create or open any of your project. Here I am opening my older project. So import the image that you want to edit. Now you're in this editing platform. Now simply here you can see this retouch button on the bottom. Tap on retouch. Now tap on this face. So in order to remove or edit double chin, here you must be in this face section of this second option. Tap on it. Now according to the slider, manage it however you like. So as you can see, there are changes in the chin. So make sure that you make it according to however you like. Here on the third option, you can even change it horizontally or vertically. So manage it, and at last tap on this apply button on the top and you're done. So this is how you remove double chin. Thank you for watching.